Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I found a brand new snack at a supermarket. Show you. Boom boom. Take a look. This shape looks like a dragon, like this. So that is called dragon potato. Okay, and then here butter soy sauce flavors, and then also here kari kari saku saku. This means the texture is crunchy, and also here chomai, nandaka chomai. This means super yummy. Super yummy. Okay, very interesting. Anyway, try to eat. Boom. Looks like dragon. Yep. Anyway, try to eat. First of all, I feel soy sauce, and this soy sauce I feel savory soy sauce. Yeah, it's very nice. And then butter is coming my nose. Yes, and also, oh, I smell soy sauce here. Oh, nice. This texture is crunchy. Definitely, I feel good. I like this texture. I need a beer now. Dragon potato. Super yummy. Definitely. When you come to Japan, please buy this dragon potato. Thank you for watching. See you next Sunday. Bye.